Morning everyone, it's the 10th of December. It might be a Monday, but we're into double digits Monday. That might be a new thing. You ready? Here we go. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 princess packs. Let's have a Disney pin unboxing. Tra la 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 la. Hit it, maestro. Excited, you ready for this? I love saying this bit. Ready? Ready? You notice I'm getting a bit more elaborate on my little ditties at the start of the videos. Do you like them? My kids are sat there going, no! Mother, no! People know us, no! So, got a tip of haven't I? It's for you. For you. So, where in the world are we today? Well, we're in good old sunny Birmingham. Now, while I don't actually live in Birmingham, and it is the second city of the UK, got to say that. So after London, Birmingham's classed as a second city, although I'm sure Manchester wants to give it a run for its money. When I was growing up, I lived in a town, what, half a mile from Birmingham, and I used to catch the bus every Saturday, and I got a Saturday job, and I sold shoes, and I was very, very good at it. And every Saturday night I used to go to Snob's nightclub, if anyone's heard of it, and on a Sunday I used to go to Kaleidoscope, and oh yeah, loved it. And now I'm about 45 minutes away, but I still class it as my town. So cheers, Birmingham. Cheers. So, my advent calendar. Oh, it's over here today. Right, number 10, it's upside down. It would always help if I get it the right way. Right, so, what have we got today? So today, we've got the teddy bear snowman type of guy. So they must have the same ones and keep repeating them over and over, but I like to repeat this every day. Did you remember to bring yours in while you sat putting the telly on? Did you? Just bit my tongue. I did. Shouldn't be a pig, should I? That's really nice. Why don't I look down when I drink my tea? You notice I look down. It's a bit weird looking at the lens when you're drinking. Oh, that's nice. Put it there, we can't have another one till tomorrow. Right, what have I got first? I've got Tsum first. Tsum. To some people call it Tsum. I call it. So door 10. I'm not my finger doing this. Right, got someone pink outfit. You know, I'm gonna break them, aren't I? Putting them out. And I know who this is. Don't need to look. I'm just looking to make sure. I didn't need to look, did I? It's Minnie Mouse. Look at her. Her ears are popping through a little hat, cape. A cape? Probably a cape. She's all wrapped up for winter. Look at her little tail. How cute is that? Oh, she's lovely. And if you look at her little eyelashes and look at those little rosy cheeks. She's obviously outside in the snow. How do I know she's outside in the snow? It's getting to me, isn't it? We've got another 14 videos after this. It's getting to me. We've got another, no we haven't. Oh, we have. We've got 15 on here. We've got one on Christmas Day, my word. So there you go. So that's Minnie, so I love that. we go. Right, so that's my Tsum calendar. Right, my Animators one next. Will we have a character or will we have something else that looks like something from Tibet? Let's have a look. Pop that one down there. It's a character, but I don't know what it's about. Oh my word, who is he? She. Is it she? Because she's in red, but boys wear red. So I don't know. How lovely though, look at those eyes. The little ears and really beautiful. But I don't know who they are, not a clue. So tell me who they are. Because I'm going to put this whole set together when we've opened it, and I'm going to do a photo on the last vlog. I'm going to do that. So I need to know where they go and who they are and what they do and all of that jazz. Right, so now the pin calendar. So number 10. Where are you? Number 10, number 10. Come in, number 10. 80. I really can't see it. See, oh, there he is at the bottom. Right down here at the bottom. Couldn't see that. Right, where do I open it? That side. It's a nice sunny day, well it was. It's gone overcast now. But look! He doesn't like it sunny. Well, he does like it sunny, but he has to be in the fridge with his own little storm cloud or something over him, snow cloud. Oh, look. Look. Oh. Isn't it lovely? And that carrot nose. Do you want to build a snowman? Do you promise not to tell? Is that words? Something like that, but look at him. Oh, look. Absolutely beautiful. And then we've got the limited edition on the back. Whoops. Oh, I love that. I love that. Let's put him on my calendar then. My tree. My tree pin calendar thing. Right, there we go. Ow! I've done it again. Ooh, so if your kids are opening these, be careful because they are really sharp. There you go. Oh, that's, I really do love this. And they're so heavy as well, these pins. So heavy. Right. Drink of tea then, and on we go. I forgot, I should have put my pink top on, shouldn't I, really, with the pink ears. And especially as we're doing princess boxes, we're doing an unboxing video today. I've got 4 packs of these and I've already got 2 of the pins. So if I show you on the back, I don't know if you've opened any of these yourself, so I can't quite see from here. So we've got Cinderella, who I've got. We've got Rapunzel, I haven't. We've got Sleeping Beauty, I haven't. We've got Belle. Snow White, I have. There's Ariel, I haven't. Tiana and Princess Jasmine, and I haven't got those. So I've actually got Cinderella and Snow White. So I've got Cinderella and Snow White. So, first box. 2 blind bags in, and these ones, there aren't a price on them. I paid, I think they were about $14.99. I paid for those. I might have got some Marcy Mouse for $8, but I think I bought these in the park. So, right, okay, you ready? Oh, there's nothing sharp on these to open. And I love the gold frame. Oh, it's one I haven't got. Oh, that's lovely. It's Princess Jasmine. Just see what it says on the back. So it's just got pin trade in Disney, and you've got the fat number on the back of them. And you're waffling. There you go, look at that, look at the beautiful frame on that. Isn't it amazing? So yay! One I hadn't got, pin number 2. Be careful with these, I keep pushing the pin thing on the back down. I'm trying to open it. I'm gonna have to use scissors. Oh no, done. I haven't got this one either. Princess Tiana. Aren't they lovely? I love these gold frames. I think they're absolutely beautiful. So, box number 2. Box number 2, come out, right, ready? Ooh. Oh, that means I'm gonna get doubles when I do that, doesn't it? Oh, my little dog's trying to get into me. So, I've got somebody that wants to be part of this video. Say hello. Harley. Harley, say hello. Who's that? Look. Who's that? Can you see you? Can you? No? Should we go back in the other room? Come on then. Having little dogs is harder work than having children, I've decided. And I've got 3 of them, so I need some tea. And they like to be part of the videos. Anyway, pin number 3. Oh, I've got a duplicate. I've got another Princess Jasmine. So that'll go in my trader pile. And after Christmas, I'm going to start trading properly again. So yeah. So I'm getting all my books ready, and then I can put up what I've got and see what people have got that they want to trade. So trading's great fun. I really do need to get some scissors for these. Right. This one wants to come out the back. Oh, and I've got another Cinderella. So I've actually got. So she's a trader as well then. So I've got Cinderella and Jasmine, and Harley's trying to get back in the room. Right, whoops, whoops. 3rd box. Ooh, so I've got 2. So I've got 2 more today, so that's 4. So I've got 4 pins left. So theoretically, I could complete. Realistically, there's not a chance, but theoretically. Oh, it's really pretty. And that's Belle with her frame. Isn't that pretty? Now I'd have put her in a blue dress so it didn't blend with the frame more. It's very pretty. It's got a rose on the frame. So much detail. And at the bottom of the frame, the bottom of the frame, can you see Mrs. Potts and Chip? The rose. They're beautiful frames. Right, so next one. Woo! Oh, and I've got the little mermaid and the Sebastian on there. There's a shell and a seahorse. Oh, aren't they lovely? Really, really lovely pins. So I need 2 more pins. 2 in this box. If I was a gambling person, I'd say no. What would you say? I do have a lot of luck. What do you think? What do you think? Throw the box. What do you think? Dare I look? And I'd be right, because I've got another Ariel. So she will go trading. Last one. And wouldn't you know it, I said I wouldn't do it. I was missing 1 pin because I actually got, can you see the marks on there? That's the problem with quality control. It's not great at the minute, but you've got the turret there of the castle and you've got Pascal at the bottom. So I'm actually missing Sleeping Beauty and a decent Rapunzel. But that's really good, isn't it? I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you haven't already, click the subscribe, the link's at the end of the video, and click the notification bell. That way then you'll have a message when I've posted another video, so you can watch it if you'd like to. And if you've enjoyed this, give me the thumbs up. Day 10, eh? Day 10. I'll see you really soon, like tomorrow morning soon. Have a good day, be safe, take care. Thanks so much everyone. Bye for now, bye.